Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe today. Well, we have another day of running in the rain, and it's like 40 degrees, so cold and rainy again. But we should be out of it in 100 miles. We're going to Calgary today, so we'll be right at the top side of Banff, and we'll be doing Banff National Park tomorrow. So, just kind of a driving day, but it should be fun tomorrow. This guy had this nice hose for us. He said he put rags. Yeah, there's rags in there. We were gonna wash the bikes, but it's, yeah, it just rained, so wasn't gonna do much, I guess. We didn't really want to do it in the rain either, but rim seems to be holding air. That's good. Well, I am airing up my rear tire again because it's down to 34 psi, so it needs air again, and all the air here costs money, so time to pull at the pump. Well, we got the 7-piece tender meal at KFC here. And then we're gonna fix the tires. I got another leak in the rear. Well, we are now stopped in a rest area again because the plug got another hole in it. And so now we're gonna try to put a fourth plug in the tire because it's like literally just ripping apart. And so we're putting a plug on the left and the right, all around the ones in the middle. So yeah, fun. More plugs, more tire problems. Well, we just got out of Cycle North Power Sports. They didn't have any water. We're both parched to hell. Not a single water fountain, not a single bottle of water. The guy said to break the bead. So yeah, we just got out of there, got the tire back on. That all went well, so hopefully that holds air, gets home, everything else. We were originally going to go to a Yamaha dealer and get a Michelin Anarchy Wild, but I don't know. This was the same tire. They had 40% off tires here. We were gonna get a Dunlop American Elite and put that on, but they wanted $500 for a tire, plus they wanted to charge to put it on. This place was a $350 tire. They had 40% off tires, so it was like $190. They have like 25% tax here, so it was like $250, and then put it on was $90. We said, how much to break the bead? $40. How much if we bring you the tire and just to change the tire? $50. We're like, well, if you're gonna pay $40 to break the bead, pay $50 to do the tire. Yeah, the service guy was kind of an asshole, but they did it. Threw our wheel weights out, and then I say, hey, we want the wheel weights back. We don't take those off. Well, the wheel weights are gone. You took them off. He didn't do that. Yeah, he did. He took them off. I'll go talk to him, and he comes back with the wheel weights. So that was our experience. Said that they wouldn't plug the tire because it's illegal to plug tires here. Emergency rear brake repair because they are shot, and mine are down there too. So we need rear brake pads now. mango donut. Quick. Got some 7-Eleven chicken tenders for dinner. Well, it is midnight, and we finally got our 7-Eleven back to the room, and we're in the room. Like the portable air conditioner in our $300. Well, it's like 8 o'clock here or something. We're gonna go to A&W and get breakfast, I think, because there's probably not gonna be food in the park the rest of the day. So, yeah. Today's gonna be Banff. Should be a good day. Probably be back in the States and in Montana today. Should be fun. A&W all-day breakfast. Got a bacon and egger and a blueberry turnover. So that's breakfast. Got 2 double teen burgers, with one with fries and one with poutine. So that's lunch in beautiful Banff, Alberta. Well, not straight anymore. K-bikes, Mr. K-bike up there. Roll it. Oh, there's some more. Oh, the dinner's closed. Yeah, is it underground? Well, there's a staircase going right underground. Shouldn't have been for a parking lot. This is... Yeah, I'm recording. Yep, recording. Yeah. Radium Hot Springs.
What is that? One of them Hindus?
What's that?
What tires you got on the front there?
I don't know.
Yeah.
How do you like them?
So far I was surprised. They're kind of slow speed. They're kind of like, I mean, like parking lot speed. They kind of...
Right, they're a little wobbly.
But I'm really happy with...
We see all over the internet, everybody said the Moto Z's are supposed to be good tires.
You want to get a conversation going and bring out every idiot
if you
in
buy
the world.
If you buy a Moto Z, that's what we bought on both bikes. What a bunch of junk.
Oh,
Right, you know what? From what I read, or I say, stay with like the
In
main
1,000
three.
miles, they cracked all around the lugs.
Oh,
And
wow.
I didn't know if they were going to fly off, but now I got 7,000 on it, and it's still going. But they said they were supposed to get 15,000. I don't think I'm going to get 15,000. That's why I bought it, so I could make it up there and back home. But
Where are you going? Or you
Wisconsin.
been?
Wisconsin. Oh wow. Yeah.
What do you think of the, what are they, Anakin? They're like the biggest selling ones now, apparently.
Oh, the Michelin Anarchy Wilds?
Yeah, something like that. I think there's a couple different
I don't know. That's like Michelin. We had Michelin tires on our street bikes and stuff.
Yeah.
I never have good luck with the Michelins.
Yeah.
A lot of the Michelins, I can 7,000 miles, and the Dunlops, they'll go like 12.
On this GS?
RT.
Oh, an RT?
Yeah, well, you get on the discussion page and you listen to the
Yep.
guys, and you're an idiot if you run Continentals, but if you run the,
I guess everybody's got their own
everybody,
choice. You
yeah,
like what
the
you like.
quickest way for
But
an
like
RT.
these things, I couldn't believe it when they were brand new. Like I said, 1,000 miles, and by the lugs there was cracks like that long right next to the lug. They just kept opening up more and more and more all the time.
I think you should put a picture of yours on a motorcycle page and say, "Hey, I'm selling these on your chin, buddy, on your chin."
I don't know what the deal was because I plugged
Oh.
I plugged that tire. I got some really good plugs.
What kind
And I
of
plugged
holder
that
is
tire and I
that?
ran.
It's just from
5
GoPro. It's
with
just a
that
sticky
plug.
mount.
We put
Good.
So you take your sunglasses off.
Yep.
Appreciate it. And how long you up in Canada for?
5 days I think it was.
Any alcohol in the back of our food?
What's that?
Any alcohol in the back of our food right
No.
now? Alright, well you're all set. Welcome home.
Okay, thank you. We are in Missoula, Montana. McDonald's, Big Mac and large fry for dinner. And we got a hotel room for $100. Dinner was $10.
111.
111. It was 100 for a king and 111 for 2 beds, so we're doing good. There we go. Gas for $21.21. Dinner for $11. Hotel for $105. $140 to exist. We're in Canada, it's $80.